everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy from Kimmy Adds Sparkle. I'm a close to my heart independent consultant. Okay, today I thought I'd share with you all the products that I can't live without when I'm scrapbooking or card making. This is, we'll start with this one because it's the biggest. It's actually a Versamat. It is 12 by 12, so it's great for when you're doing your scrapbooking. It's great because it's got the measurements up the side and along the bottom. And it's, you know, it's quite hard on this side. If you turn it over, this side is spongy, so great for stamping. Yeah, so that's our Versamat. The other product that I wanted to show you that's quite big is our paper trimmer. This is, you probably can't see it very well on camera, but it's 15 inch, so this part opens up from there. What I like about it too is that it has the blades are replaceable, so once they get dull you can replace them. It also has a very, you probably won't be able to see it here, but it has a piece of wire there, so when you're placing your paper right here you can see exactly where you're going to make that cut. Okay, now the next product I'm going to show you is our micro tipped scissors. We have two types. Okay, this one here is our regular micro tip scissors. They are very, very sharp. I use them all the time. The other ones we have are our these ones are our non-stick micro tip scissors. These ones are great for when you're cutting sticky things like 3D foam tape or double-sided tape. Things don't stick to this. It's great. Alright, but just be careful because they are super, super sharp, and I have cut myself quite a number of times with them. Alright, now might move on to our foam tape. This one is our 3D foam tape. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. Once you've stuck it down, there's no getting it back up. It's super sticky. And this is a thin 3D foam tape. Now the other thing I wanted to show you is our glue dots. I have here both mini and micro. They are great for sticking down embellishments like sequins and things like that. They're great for that. The other thing that I can't live without is my stamp blocks. They come in all different sizes, and what's great about it is it has the size on the side here. They also have, you won't be able to see it on camera here, but it also comes with a, oh, you might be able to see it, has a line on here so you can put your stamps on straight, and like when you're stamping you can see where you're going because you can sit them right through. So they're another product that I can't live without. Now the other products is our tape runners. This is close to my heart's tape runner. It is a dot adhesive, so it has quite a lot of, you know, when you run it, it has dots on it. And the other one is this tape runner. Now I love this one. It's a Tombow. It's refillable, so when you open it out, it comes, and you can refill it when you need to, so you don't have to keep buying the outside bit. I love it. I think it's great. And the tape on this, superb. Like, you can't, it's just, once you've stuck it down, there is absolutely no getting it up. Trust me, I've tried. The other one is, this one is a Tombow liquid glue. I use this all the time. It's great. It's dual tip, so it's got a thin tip on there, and it's got a thicker one on the bottom. And the other one is our liquid glass. Now this is great. Again, this is super strong. You can use it to accent your embellishment, so if you've got a flower or something, you could dab a little bit of that on there and it gives it a bit of shine. But it's, yeah, it's great. Love it. So anyway, there are all the products that I can't live without. Now if you wanted to purchase any of these products, please visit my website at kimmy.closetomyheart.com.au. Alright, and well, thanks for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!